Okay, what's the title of that book?
My Love for You.
Wonder what it's about. Let's find out.
My love for you. It's bear. It's bigger than one bear.
Yeah, bigger than one bear.
Taller than two giraffes.
Taller than two giraffes.
Longer.
That word is larger.
Larger than 3 blue whales.
Mm-hmm.
Wetter than 4 elephants.
That's pretty wet.
Longer than 5 pythons.
Good job. That was a tricky one.
Those are pythons.
Yep, 5 of them. That's pretty long.
That's what I have in my reptiles and amazing reptiles and snakes book from that store with the kids' place in the store. My love for you.
Oh, Mackie.
Sorry.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
Okay, keep reading.
It's deeper than 6 deep as fish.
Deep sea.
Deep sea fish.
Yeah. That's a tricky word. Mightier.
Mightier than a lion.
Ooh, that's another tricky word. If you look at the start, you might be able to sound it out. Heftier.
Heftier than 9 hippos.
Mm-hmm, that's pretty hefty.
My love for you. It's bigger than
Loftier.
loftier than 10.
See, that's 2 words together. What's the first word?
Lovely
Love.
birds.
Not birds.
What's this?
Soaring.
Soaring high above the clouds.
Yeah. Ooh.
And then
Greater.
and greater than all of these.
That word is together.
Together.
And greater than all of these together. What is that word?
Love
For.
forever.
Forever. The end. Mackie, good reading. That was a new book for you.
Yeah.
Great reading.
Sorry I burped in this one.
That's okay. You said excuse me.